walking in the rain. My goodness. Always raining. It's a rainy season. It's walking in the rain. Please God, stop raining. Good morning everyone. I'm here again, Ninita Buenafi. I'm Ninita Show. I make videos for all my viewers. Those are my viewers and correspondents in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the comments. And please, those my friends na hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe and nakapanood ng aking mga videos, please subscribe and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy everyone for watching my YouTube. My God, and this rain. It's raining. Astro under construction, binubungkal, pinapagawa. Oh my gosh, so much long waiting hanggang kailan matatapos ang aming pasyalan dito sa Astro is a good place. Pasyalan kabataan. Ano ba? Ano ito diba? See? Oh, deep. The water. Oh my God. Oh my God, the water. Water is coming inside in my phone. Hi everyone. My umbrella. No, it's not good. Yes po. Good morning. Just walk by in sorry, I can take properly the video, the camera because it's so much raining. Yes. Ayun na yun sa kahabaan ng Astro. Oh, phone how to hold properly because I'm scared if my phone is broken again. My gosh, pasensya na po, pasensya na po. Um, so tatawid na. Oh my gosh, is the video is looks blurry. Masyadong malapit ang thank you po. Wait lang. Salamat. Okay. I'm here along the I'm in front now of Jollibee. Hi Jollibee. People love you. Hello Jollibee. Love me. Maybe I go there later. Yeah, I love to eat French fries. Yeah, French fries is my favorite. Nino from the Jollibee. My goodness, my dress is too much late na. Oh my god. Hello. Hello, hello. Good morning. I'm here along the wait. I need to stop over. Good morning. Saka natin pagka mayroong extra nyo. Okay, now I'm here on Jokbay, Palawan to get the my friends done to give me money for to give me gifts. Money for my allowance. Yes, thank you so much for I'm here in front of Natalia Hotel. It's a nice place. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.